Hey guys, welcome to another vlog with boss babe Nikki. Oh yes, so in this video we're going to do a little food shopping and also some household stuff like hygiene stuff, lotion, etc. Yeah, so okay. Woo! Yes, so guys, thank you guys for tuning in. Welcome to all my new viewers. In your busy guys, in your park. We could even find Charlie, but we're at Progressive. Place is very nice as well. But yeah, we're here and Dominic is here with us. Yeah guys, so let's get right into the video. Change this guys. Empty. New. Maybe just buy this too guys. This is iron, you know, vitamin tonic, and it's Innovite, really good on the camera. So from when me I feel weak, but this may take, yeah, the Innovite, this may take, it help me with boosts me energy and stuff, and you know, give me too much iron, because when I take iron pill, it affect me. Yeah. We are at the supermarket again. You guys are not going to come with me picking up, but I'll show you guys what we got.
Dominic phone.
Yeah. Okay guys, so as you can see, we spent $9,399. Yeah, and we came at Progressive. Yeah. So guys, it's Saturday and we just basically me tired. So just run to Progressive. This is all that we got. Yeah. Just on a budget as usual. Yeah. And I'm really tired, so Dominic help me pack out this stuff them real quick. Yeah, now I do the same type of video every time, so this is gonna be like a weekly vlog. We don't get not much different. I just like me get tricks for them instead of the other one. I don't remember the other one name, but yeah, we get banger and shrimp this time because we're gonna make mac and cheese with garlic shrimp for dinner and stuff. Just look at difference. Yeah, slightly different stuff. No, mix it up a little bit, but yeah. Dominic do this, you know. Yeah, impact them. Organize like him, mother. Impact them up neat. Should I make mac and cheese? There's 2 mac and cheese in there. Yeah, so guys, but yeah, me about to start eating, you know. Thing. So yeah, this is how the vlog end for today. We might pick up tomorrow Or you guys will see what happened next. Yeah, the syrup, refreshing, delicious. Yeah. Should I watch TV? I feel like more I go bed and relax or we watch something too. Dominic, did they start eat? Hey Dominic, you eating? Okay. Dominic is here, guys. Say good afternoon to the vlog. Yeah. Hey guys. So yeah guys, me find everything for the Christmas tree, and me and Dominic we're gonna go home and set it up. Yeah. I don't know if we go video us setting it up, but we can show like clips of during the process, before the process, and after, you know. Yeah, and I take a few cute pictures in my outfit. It closes snatch my body and I just look, ooh. Hey guys, so I am home, yes. I'm gonna start the unboxing now. Little update though. As you can see, I change my clothes because I never feel comfortable. Did feel too revealing and stuff. Yeah. Oh, I go weird that fish ever. So let's get into the video. That is all. So fashion over unboxing. So these, I think these are the two last packages, yeah, that I should have received, and they're here now, so I'm gonna open. I don't need the box cutter. Rip me out of plastic. I've been acting brand new. Why? Okay, so this is a shirt. It's actually a gift, so I'm not gonna open it. And this is also a gift. Yeah, guys, you guys can see the print. This is for Dominic though, and the other one is for Obi. Let me show you guys. Yeah. Yeah. Another one. Last but not least. Okay, guys. Also, guys, I want to think about the change of curtains. You know, is it buzzing? Is it giving? Is it? I feel like it is. Yeah. And then the dark blue sheet on the bed, just top it off. It eats. Yeah. So yeah. Open. Take me a chat. You know, my couldn't sleep out. Yeah. This is another shirt for Dominic. These are gonna be like Christmas gift, guys. So I guess you guys will see it then. Yeah. This didn't even have to be an unboxing, but I promise you guys that I'll open it. Okay, so this top is mine, so I'm gonna open this. Yeah. Rip me out the plastic. I've been acting brand new. Rip. Yo. Wait. Do you guys like it? Do you like it? It says savage. Okay. Savage bitch. I love it, guys, and it's gonna fit me perfectly. This can't even wear with my army green fashion over jeans I'm gonna wear yet, but I'm gonna wear with the orange first. Yeah, let me see. This is a medium top, and this is, I don't know if this is for me. Let me show you guys. Or it's for the store. Rip me out the plastic. I've been acting brand new. It's medium. It's huge. Oh my gosh, you guys know. So it's saying protect your happiness. Okay, guys. Yeah. It's really cute. I would wear this, guys, but it's huge. Actually, I feel like trying phone, guys, today, so I'ma do that now. I'ma try both of them, but I'm not gonna take off my blouse or anything. I'm just gonna do it right here. Yep. Let me see. Yeah, this is huge. Oh, this can rock, guys. This can rock. One thing, no. You know, make cute little shorts or whatever. Yeah, guys. So, I don't know if I throw me in a one top, but it's up me in a pretty small. I don't know if but it's giving. Like, I can't wrap this. Take off my glasses. I can't wrap this. And I also think the one that I wear the other day was also medium, and it fits. You know, you have to just know if you swag up the thing them. I don't have much swag, but I don't feel like put myself together. Put up my glasses. I don't want to go try the next one, but yeah, guys, I love it. This though you can't wear with no tight down the bottom. You have to wear it with like one joggers or one skirt or something big, like one big short or something not tight up, you know. Yeah, you can tuck in the sides them like what I did do with the other one and stuff. So this can go in the store or I'll just take it. I don't know. I got it for myself though. Let's see. You guys will see. You guys will see. So this is the small one. Okay. And I love it. I just love the green with the yellow, you know. It's just different, you know. Yeah, you mostly see orange and green and them color there, but this it, you know, fashion over y'all it. Yeah, so let me try this one. This is my size, but you know, me like with warm, so this can wear with like a tight simple jeans pants or so, or one skirt too. But I'm gonna wear with my army green joggers. Let me show you guys. The shoulder part look youngish. You need them more me. It's true. Is it true? I have a little weight. I don't want to look tight up. You know the little vibes there. Yeah. Show my belly and them something there. You know. But this nice. It not gonna feel so sucking when I wear it, because for one, I'm wearing an underneath shirt at this moment, and then for two, I'll be wearing like something else that will go with it, so that won't be a problem. So I'll look past that, you know. Yeah. So that's that, guys, and I'm gonna get Dominic and we're gonna just decorate the tree. Okay. Yeah. The tree is actually at the window now, which it's a small tree. It's nothing big, nothing fancy, you know. But when I feel like there is the best place because the hall is crowded. But when the breeze blow, it blow the tree and it turn over. Yeah, so you might have to find one nice comfortable home. I'll figure that out. So yeah guys, let's get into that. So guys, like I said, it's just a little tree. Yeah, that's the ending result. Yeah, and this is the end of the video. Thanks for watching to the end, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Remember to like, subscribe and share. Okay, bye.